Hey guys, so I'm unboxing my first package that I got in the mail. Here it goes. Let's see if I can do it with one hand or not. Hold on. Okay, so I got it open. Here goes my first product. Oh, I forgot to open the other side. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. We'll see. Okay, here goes. So yay! I got my first container. This is the 2-ounce container that I plan on using for my lotions and my moisturizers. So that's cool. And let's see the second one. This is I gotta get some stuff out of here. The second one, this is the 4-ounce, 2-ounce, no, the 4-ounce, whichever one I didn't say. So here's this one, and then I'm gonna compare the other one. Here's this one. So these are two sizes. I have the 2-ounce one and the 4-ounce one. And that's it for right now. I'm going to open it in a second. So here's what it looks like open. It's just white on the inside. Nothing too special. Just white on the inside. Both of them. And then they both have these caps on here. I like these caps. Now I'm going to show you what my old one looks like in just a bit. Hold on. Okay, so my original 4-ounce looks like this. This has the body butter in it. This is a 4-ounce. And this is the new 4-ounce. So I think I'm just going to have the lotions and the moisturizer in. And then this is the old 2-ounce right here. And this is the new one. So tell me what you think about these packagings. Do they look better? Do they look different? I thought the cosmetic packaging of this looked a little bit more professional, so I got this kind compared to this. Tell me what you think. Do you like the old one? Do you think the new one's better? Do you think the old one's better? And the difference also is because this one is clear. I found that having a container that didn't let in light allowed the product to remain intact better, if I can say that. The product didn't expire as fast if it's in a dark container. I thought this one was easier to grip to open because it has these ruffles on it. Can you see it? It has like things on here that allows you to grip. I like that with this one. But this one you can see it doesn't have that same grip on there. It's kind of smooth. So if your hands are wet or if you have the product on your hand, it may not be able to allow you to twist it off. But this one you can twist off easily. So you guys tell me which one you like better.